installing these today. These AWR Racing trailing arms for the rear of the probe. It's not too bad. It's about 25 minutes per each side if you don't have a rusted up car. Mine's not rusted up, so they're just a little tight. No big deal. Here's the tools you need. You need a 12mm socket. You got breaker bar, ratchet, 1/2-inch drive, and you get a 17 and a 13/16, and then a 17 wrench, and that's it. Then all you do is loosen these up. This is where your emergency brake, parking brake is held on, and then you have a bolt up in here. Let's see if I can get it. Let's see. Right there. And that goes through to here. And then you just have this one here. And it will just pretty much just slide right off. And then you just put on your AWR one. Now I will take a video of it installed. Let me pause this here and I'll come back. Here you can see old versus new. Really big difference. In my old one, I didn't even know the bushing's gonna toast. So we'll put this on real quick. Let me show you. See if I can video it while I put it on. It's not that difficult. Let's see how it's gonna go. Up in there. Give it a little wiggle. And then we'll put this one on there. And before I put it on, I'm going to clean that up right there. You didn't see that corrosion before. You can see here, I cleaned it up and put some lithium grease on here. And just to let you know, if you ever install these, they have to be turn around the right way, because inside piece inside the bushing, the collar or whatever you want to call it, is chamfered. So if you turn around the other way, it won't slide on. So it's got to be turned around the right way. And then that's pretty much it. You just bolt her back up. This one, I bought these used, and these were broke off for the e-brake. It's the first, second gen arms. They do fit, but it's not a big deal. I'm just going to zip tie this up, or use some stainless clamps that I have. And that's it. Bolt it up. Do the same for the other side, and then you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.